Morning folks, how you all doing? Welcome back to Sam's Budget Guitars. Hope you're all well. So in today's video we're going to take a look at another one of my budget guitars from Harley Benton. Without further ado, I'm going to give you a full rundown of this guitar and then I'm probably going to plug it in and do a sound test. I might not be able to because it's a bit early doors. So without further ado, let's pull the guitar off the stand and let's see what we're going to look at today. Okay, welcome back. So the guitar we're going to take a look at today is the Harley Benton SC-400 SG Gold Top. Absolutely love this guitar. I've had it for nearly a year. So let me give you a full rundown of it first, all the details, and then we'll take a closer in-depth look at it. So this is, as I said, the Harley Benton SC-400 SGT, classic series guitar. It has a basswood body. It has an arched top. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it in this light, but you might just there at the right angle. It has an arched top, which means the top part of the guitar comes out. I love that design. I think that's absolutely cool. It has a set neck. Maple set neck, to be precise. There you go. No bolt-on neck going on here. Set maple neck. It has a C neck profile. I love this neck. It's very comfortable to play. I love the colour of it. It has roseacre fretboard. So is that rosewood? Roseacre, I don't know what roseacre is. I haven't got a clue what kind of wood that is. Could be roseacre fretboard. It has a 350mm fretboard radius, which is from the nut to the first of the humbuckers there. It has trapezoid inlays all the way down the guitar. Love these trapezoid inlays. That's what I brought it for. Different design. It has 22 frets. It has a 628mm scale. It has, as most of these guitars have, a double action truss rod, which is, the truss rod is under the fretboard there. It has two classic open humbucker pickups. It has a three-way switch. 1, 2, 3. Two volume, two tone controls. Tune-o-matic bridge and a stop tail piece. And it has, sorry about the light, it has die-cast classic machine heads. So they're not silver, they're like a dull grey white colour. And then also it has the, just get it down there, Harley Benton stock logo. I like this logo and I like the stock head on this. Absolutely lovely, and I love the colour. Brown all around the back. Lovely colour. And also it has binding from the nut all the way down the side and then all the way around the guitar there. It has binding. You can see, you probably can't see it in this light, but I do like the design of this guitar. So as I said, the Harley Benton SC-400 SGT, they call it a gold top. It's not technically gold, it's more like rose gold I would call it, but in the certain lights it does look goldish in the sunlight. So in the afternoons when the sun's beaming through the windows it does look gold in the sun, but I would say it's more rose gold. So there we go. So let's get it plugged in and let's see if we can do a sound test. Okay, so we're going to do a small sound test on this guitar, but I have to keep it low because the lady upstairs above me is pregnant, so I can't have it on very loud. So I'll lower the camera so you can see the guitar. Right, just a quick sound test. So that was with the neck position, middle, this is the bridge position. So let's try something slightly different quickly. That was in the neck position. Middle position. And the bridge position. And there we have it. And there we go. Sorry about that, I just had to take a phone call. Right, so anyway, so this will be a join on to the first part of the video. So yeah, so that was a show and tell and a sound test of my Harley Benton SC-400 SGT gold top guitar. And as I said in one of my previous videos, I've ordered a new budget guitar that's coming next week from Germany. I'm not going to say what it is until then. And I'll be doing a 3-part video on that, I think. I'm not sure, maybe a 2-parter, but probably a 3-parter. But until then, please don't forget to give the channel a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And you all take care. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out of here.